Hi everyone, my name is Vincent. I am from the USA, specifically in the Northern Virginia area. So today I'm here at Yamato, the location in Kagawa Prefecture, to learn how to make udon noodle. Um, the reason why I choose this company was I found a company online and it was very interesting. My background, I had zero experience prior coming to here to learn how to make noodle. However, my family owned a Vietnamese noodle shop, a pho noodle shop in the USA, making authentic Vietnamese noodles. So I want to be something different and as a startup company, I want to eventually open my own Japanese udon noodle restaurant. So I want to come here to Yamato to learn the basic and the foundation of the beginning, how to make udon noodle. And one more thing was what caught my attention was Yamato not only offer these courses for us to learn how to make noodle. They also offer these type of machine, shinuchi here, that could make the noodle for you, which is not, which you don't see it very, often in America. So I want to bring the authentic Japanese taste with a little bit of fusion into my upcoming restaurant. Right now, my plan is to open up the restaurant um, first in the Virginia area and then move to Orlando because I wanted to try and branch out as a, become bigger as a franchise company. Yeah, so my first impression coming here was the school was very organized of the sensei here. Well, the courses will be taught in Japanese, but the school also offer services to help you to understand. And I have one of the translator here. He is always with me 24/7, so he could translate from Japanese to English or any kind of language that you would prefer to, which make the school and everything in here much easier. So I would definitely recommend you check them out online, and they have location all over the world. They would, if you want to order any machine or any equipment from Yamato, they would, happily to ship it to your home destination.